In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Yahoo Mail storage. If you want to keep an eye on how much space your Yahoo Mail account is using, the good news is that it only takes a moment to find it. This is especially helpful if your inbox feels crowded, if you have a lot of older messages with attachments, or if you simply want to understand where your storage stands. To get started, open your Yahoo Mail account. Make sure you're fully signed in and looking at your main mailbox page. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile icon. Now move your cursor over that profile icon and hover over it. You don't need to click right away. When you hover, a drop-down menu will appear. In that drop-down, look for the section labeled Storage. Under that section, Yahoo will show you how much storage you've already used. This gives you a quick snapshot of your current usage without having to dig through account settings. If all you need is a fast check, that's really all there is to it. You can simply view the storage amount shown in the drop-down and then return to your inbox. If you want a little more detail, you can also click on the storage amount that appears in that same drop-down menu. Doing that will open the Manage Storage section. This area can help you better understand what may be taking up space in your account, including emails that are using more of your storage. That can be useful if you're planning to clean up your mailbox or remove larger messages to free up space. A small tip here: if the drop-down doesn't appear immediately, just make sure your cursor is directly over the profile icon and pause for a second. On some screens, it may take a brief moment for the menu to open. Also, if you're using a different layout or browser window size, the profile icon may look slightly different, but it will still be in the top right area of Yahoo Mail. And that's it. That's how to check your Yahoo Mail storage, and if needed, open the storage management section to see what's using space in your account.